Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the must-haves in beauty to help you make the best choices for your routine. Now, mascara is one of those products that can make or break your makeup look, right? Whether you're after bold volume, separation, or the perfect lift, the search for the ultimate mascara can be overwhelming. Today, let's take a closer look at the Maybelline New York Volume Express Colossal Cat Eyes Washable Mascara in Glam Black. This mascara promises dramatic, cat-like lashes with its unique collagen formula and claw brush. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. The Maybelline Volume Express Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara is designed to give you that striking, wide-eyed look. What's unique about it? Well, the mascara boasts a formula infused with collagen that promises to add volume while keeping the lashes soft and full. And it comes with a claw brush, which Maybelline claims helps to lift and spike lashes, making them look fuller at the outer corners, creating that cat eye effect. The brush is also designed to separate and define lashes without clumping, which is always a win in my book. I've been testing this mascara for a while now, and I have to say, it's pretty interesting. The first thing I noticed is the brush. It's not like the traditional straight bristled wand you might be used to. The claws of the brush curve outward, which helps to grab lashes from the roots and really push them up. That being said, it took a little getting used to. I initially had to be extra careful with the application because of the shape of the brush, but once I got the hang of it, I found it pretty easy to apply. In terms of performance, the Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara does live up to its name. You get dramatic volume with each coat. It really does separate the lashes well and gives them that exaggerated cat eye effect, especially at the outer corners. As far as longevity goes, it holds up well throughout the day without smudging or flaking, which is always a plus, especially in humid weather. I wore it through several long workdays and didn't experience any issues. However, one thing to note is that if you're looking for a super natural, lightweight mascara, this might not be your best match. The formula is very volumizing, so it definitely delivers a bolder look. That said, it could be a little too much if you prefer something more subtle. Also, I did experience a tiny bit of clumping if I layered too many coats, so I'd recommend sticking to 1 or 2 coats for the best results. Now, let's talk about value for money. This mascara is fairly affordable for the volume it delivers, especially if you're looking for a dramatic effect. At this price point, it's a solid buy. But if you're someone who prefers more natural mascaras, you might want to consider a lighter formula. Still, for those looking for that wide-eyed, full lash look, it's hard to argue with the price tag for this kind of performance. Is this mascara a game changer in the world of volume mascaras? Well, it certainly offers a unique twist with its brush design and collagen formula. In comparison to others, I think it holds up pretty well, particularly if you're after volume and definition. But there are definitely other options out there that might suit those looking for something with a more natural finish or more lengthening properties. When it comes to build quality, the packaging feels sturdy enough. Nothing too fancy, but it's definitely functional. I can't speak to how long the product lasts once opened, but typically I've found mascaras like this one to be fairly durable, provided you store them in a cool, dry place. If you're someone who values a dramatic cat eye look with full, spiked lashes, the Maybelline Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara could be a great addition to your makeup bag. Just be aware that it's not the best option for those looking for subtlety. It's all about that bold, volumized effect. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.